Welcome back to our channel dedicated to hair care on a budget. Today we're diving into the often overlooked yet essential practice of scalp exfoliation. This process plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of your scalp and hair, ensuring a fresh and clean foundation for growth. Scalp exfoliants can be created using everyday ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. Items like cornmeal, apple cider vinegar, sugar, coconut oil, and essential oils not only offer affordability but also contribute significantly to scalp health. By experimenting with these ingredients, you can whip up a personalized exfoliant that caters specifically to your scalp's needs. The benefits of scalp exfoliation are abundant. Firstly, it helps to remove buildup from hair products and natural oils that can accumulate over time. A clean scalp can balance pH levels, create a healthy environment for hair follicles, and alleviate common issues like itchiness and flakiness. Moreover, exfoliating can stimulate blood circulation, a vital factor that promotes hair growth and vitality. Let's explore some effective recipes using these ingredients. For a basic scalp scrub, mix equal parts of cornmeal or ground almonds with your regular shampoo, adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Another great option is combining apple cider vinegar diluted with water and mixing it with sugar or honey. For those suffering from an itchy scalp, a mixture of brown sugar and oatmeal can provide soothing relief while effectively removing dead skin cells. If looking for nourishment, consider a blend of sea salt with olive oil, which helps protect your hair from damage. When using these scrubs, be sure to apply them gently using a scrub or brush. Massage the mixture into your scalp for a few minutes to allow it to work effectively, then rinse with warm water. Following the exfoliation, applying a moisturizing conditioner will ensure your hair remains hydrated and soft. The frequency of exfoliation varies significantly depending on your scalp type. Those with oily scalps may benefit from exfoliating once or twice a week, while dry scalps might only require this treatment once a month to prevent irritation. Sensitive scalps should begin with a monthly schedule, slowly increasing as comfort allows. It's essential to avoid over-exfoliating, as this can lead to more harm than good. Always monitor for discomfort or redness after exfoliation, and consult a dermatologist if needed. For more hair care tips and tricks, please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.